Let's head straight into Desserts After Dark. Chef Cheryl-Ann Shortt-Charles is back with us and room. So Chef Cheryl is, you know when people say I'm a sweet hand? She literally have a sweet hand. Because I am not, you're not a dessert man.
No.
I am not a big dessert man.
Yeah.
She has turned me into
a dessert man.
A sweet,
a sweet man now.
I am now. We throw Kest out the Red Bar Association. This is the president of the Red Bar Association.
Right, good. Yeah, a sweet man.
Chef Cheryl, what are you doing first today?
So, you know, we've kept the trend for tonight, for the night show, on simple and quick.
Yeah, simple quick.
Because you want to grab something very quick. So this is what I'm calling a microwave brownie. There's no eggs in it. So if you don't eat eggs and if you know, maybe you're a vegan or vegetarian, it's very easy for you. So we have simple here, flour, cocoa powder, sugar, brown sugar, white sugar, chocolate chips. The marshmallow we're going to save for last. Oil. And water.
So Chef, you said no eggs, so what's going to hold it together? What's the binding agent?
Hey, I like it. Now, the thing about it is, it's not going to be unmolded to cut. So there's no necessity for a binding agent.
All right.
It's going to be eaten straight out of the jar that is going to be baked in.
Oh, okay.
Right?
Okay. She learned me. She didn't teach me. She learned me something today.
But no, I've been impressed with your questions tonight.
Yes.
I've been I'm very, very impressed with your culinary questions tonight.
If I just look like I eater.
So you see how nice and moist it is? I'm using 2 teacups. Now, the nice thing about this, when it comes out warm out of the microwave, you could just put a scoop of ice cream.
This is late night.
Oh gosh,
this late night sin.
All these ladies watching this show. Yeah. Oh gosh.
Oh my
goodness.
And again, because it's very quick, it's going into the microwave for only 2 minutes. Right? So you scoop in as much as you want inside of there. I top it off with some marshmallow.
Right.
Put it in the microwave.
Nice.
Oh, yeah.
And we have 2 in the microwave waiting.
You're a magician too.
So where the marshmallows gone?
Room. I promised, come hungry.
Yes,
I'm seeing a smile on your face. That means you're leaving happy. You're leaving happy. So I can just
look at this.
Yeah.
Look at this, Adrian.
Hey.
Gooey goodness. Goodness. Good.
And that's how I like my brownies. Now, a lot of people like the brownie cakey. If you like your brownie cakey, you may want to leave it a little longer in the microwave, maybe about a 250 to 3 minutes in the microwave. Right? So it all depends on how you like it and how you want it.
How you like it. Good, you say?
Good.
Good, you say. If you haven't heard that.
So you can give up a glass of
So I have to give up a glass of rum for
this.
a brownie.
You serious?
Yeah.
We're taking a short break. Chef Cheryl-Ann Shortt-Charles, thank you very much. That is not a give up. No. We can't have putting a wrap on it.